What are you doing? Are you being silly and eating your green beans? Are you picking up your green beans? This is your first day eating fresh green beans, isn't it, big boy? You're doing a good job. Yummy, yummy, yummy. You're looking for the doggies. Is that good? There are the dogs under the table. Yep, there's Trot. There's Trot. There's Trot. Yum, yum, yum. Are those good green beans, big boy? No? Hey, silly. Hey, silly. Look at you. I want you. You're just so interested in trotters. Oh, he's cleaning up your mess for ya. He's cleaning up your mess. Grant. Hey. Hey. You're being silly. You were looking at me out of the side of your eyes. No. Hi, you waving to Mommy? Good boy. Grant, look at Mommy. Say wave. Say hi. Hi. You can wave to me? Hi, here you go. Good job. Oh, those are good green beans. Yum, yum, yum.